so let me go ahead and go over this here. Okay, so I'm going to erase this Japanese one stuff. Okay. So, like I said, with adjectives, E adjectives, so like takai, you drop the E and add soul. That means looks like, or looks blank. Okay, so for example, takai, we change this to takasou. It looks expensive. Expensive. Okay, with na adjectives, you just drop the na. Okay, and so shizukaso, it looks quiet. And then when it comes to verbs, I don't know if they teach the verb part of it. Oh yeah. So with verbs, you basically take the mas form. A better way to use it is furimasu. So when rain falls, because of course everyone says like, oh, looks like it's going to rain. So what do? We get rid of the mas. Furi so. So ame ga furi so. Looks like it's going to rain. Okay. Now, Eddie, otherwise known as Ken, he makes the statement that he's going to have oyakodon ni niku udon. So there's a difference between ni and to in this situation. So if he were to say, that's a horrible oyakodon to niku udon. So this just means A plus B. It's very neutral. Okay? It has no feeling other than you're just adding two things together. So I'm going to have A and B, right? But in this case, he says, oyakodon ni niku udon. Right? What this has a feeling is that this is being added to that. So it's like a set that you're stacking it on. And so it has more of a feeling of like lumping this on top of this than just these two. This is like A plus B. They're the same, they have the same feeling. Ni, of course, means movement. And so you're literally like stacking it on. So like it has a feeling of, okay, I'm eating this and this. Okay. And then the last one is very important, and that's blank ni shimasu. Now normally we identify with shimasu as do, but when we use ni with it, korewa ne, this means I'll have blank, right? So tacos ni shimasu, I'll have tacos. Oyakodon ni shimasu, I'll have oyakodon. Are ni shimasu, I'll have that, right? Kore ni shimasu, I'll have this. So this is used almost always in restaurants and in shops. When you're asking for something, kore ni shimasu, it's more polite, I would say, than kore kudasai, which means just give me this, right? So those are the three grammatical things that we learned on Thursday, Friday. With that being said, you can see here